Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone swipe up not working? If you try to swipe up your iPhone and it's not working, then here are the fixes. Unlock your iPhone, and if swipe up not working properly, then here are the various workaround you must apply, and volume up button, volume down button and home button. Conjointly press volume down button and home button until Apple logo appear on your screen. Reset your iPhone. Force restart your iPhone. Force restart can fix various major or minor issue of your iPhone. So first workaround is force restart your iPhone and check whether your iPhone swipe up working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next workaround is tap on settings of your iPhone, and here scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Unlock your iPhone, and here scroll down and you will find the option it may be not available. Allow access when locked, and here control center should be enabled mode. So Face ID and passcode under, and home control should also enable. If you found it disable, then simply enable both the feature under allow access when phone is locked. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings of your iPhone, tap on settings of your iPhone and scroll down and tap on general settings, and here scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset again and choose reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID and tap on reset all settings. It will reset all your iPhone settings and refresh and check whether your iPhone swipe up not working error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And one more workaround you must apply. Tap on settings and go to general settings again. Go to accessibility and here tap on voiceover and disable voiceover feature from your iPhone. VoiceOver speaks items on the screen. Tap once to select an item, double tap to activate the selected item. So disable VoiceOver feature on your iPhone. The next one is again tap on settings, tap on general settings and tap on software update. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of swipe up or other features not working properly. So update your iPhone with latest iOS update. Running iOS update is 17.5.1. You must download and install it in your system and check your error will definitely be resolved. That's all.